Valerie Chambers with Holton Wise, here to talk to you today about the Holton Wise tenant screening process. So how does Holton Wise screen tenants? We first check that there are no previous evictions. Holton Wise will not allow a tenant in your property that has previously been evicted from another property. 2, we check their credit to ensure that they have a strong payment history. And 3, we do a thorough criminal history check. In addition, we also verify employment and exhaust all efforts to contact previous landlords. Be sure to follow the Holton Wise Instagram page to see our tenant-focused advertising. Also, subscribe to the Holton Wise YouTube channel to be sure to catch all of our real estate-related content, education, and hot properties for sale. As always, Valerie Chambers with Holton Wise, real estate investing made easy. Talk to you today about the Holton. Help if I know how to say the name of the company.